How to read economic calendars. On our platform, calendars are located in the Market Analysis section on the left-hand side panel. You can use a Forex calendar, an earnings calendar, and a crypto calendar. Let's study the structure of the Forex calendar. When you open it, you will see a list of economic reports. The country releasing the report is indicated by a flag. Choose a report by clicking its name. In the new tab that opens, you will see the release date and the period it covers. Just below it, you can see three values: currently, forecast, and previous. Currently means the actual reading. It appears at the time of the release. If a report has not been released yet, this field is empty. Forecast reflects the average of analyst predictions before the news release. Previous is the value published in the previous release. Each event is accompanied by the volatility index, which may be low, medium, or high. This index shows how much the report can influence the volatility of the asset or assets listed below. By clicking the settings icon above, you can filter releases by volatility impact, country, or category. The general rule for reading the Forex calendar is the following. If the actual reading is better than the forecast, the currency appreciates. If it's worse than the forecast, the currency depreciates. However, such indicators such as unemployment claims and unemployment rate influence the currency in question in a better way if they are lower than the forecast. Now let's take a look at the earnings calendar. The earnings calendar shows the EPS of companies whose stocks are traded on our platform. EPS stands for earnings per share. It's one of the main indicators published by companies when they file financial reports. The calendar shows three values of a company's EPS: current, forecast, and previous. If the EPS is better than the estimate, the stock price will move higher. If the EPS meets the estimate, the stock price will most likely not move. If the EPS is lower than the estimate, the stock price will fall. The previous values are usually less important than the forecast. The market reaction will be stronger if the difference between the forecast and the actual earnings is large. The third calendar is called the crypto calendar. It shows the major events in the crypto and blockchain sector. Each event is accompanied by the logo of the cryptocurrency that will be affected. By clicking an event, you will see when it will take place, the volatility importance index, as well as the current price of a digital asset, spread, and change in percentage. We wish you successful trading.